Hello, in this video we're going to show you how we made this little Christmas ornament. It's a paper Christmas tree with beads on with wool that we've embedded in some water clear polyester casting resin. And then we've given it a sort of broken glass striated feel on the surface there. And as you can see, it picks up the little fairy lights quite nicely and makes it more sort of reflective and shiny. So let's get started, and this is what you're going to need. Some protective gear like gloves, goggles. If you're inside, I'll also see a face mask. Some cups, mixing sticks. There's the resin we used, water clear polyester casting resin. I also used a syringe to measure the catalyst. Now we didn't have a suitably shaped mould to embed this artwork in, and so what we did was got a sheet of polypropylene plastic and we measured about 7 to 10 mils bigger than the artwork, and then cut that out and made some tabs on the side that we're going to fold up and make into walls for the mould. We've scored that, not too deeply, just enough so we can fold that up at the sides and make our walls. That's not bad. And then we're going to fasten that together at the corners with this tape, which we know is resistant to the resin. There's a lot of other materials you could have made this mould out of. A lot of people use Perspex. That's all three corners fastened with the tape, and hopefully that's going to be close enough that the resin won't leak out of the seams. As you can see, it's a little bit bowed on the walls there, and so what we're going to do is just reinforce that with some mixing sticks taped together. Just taping the edges here just in case any of the scores have gone too deep. There it is, reinforced with the mixing sticks, and as you can see, that gives us a nice sharp triangle ready to put our resin and artwork in. So we mix up some resin. We've got 150 mils of resin in here. I'm going to add 2% catalyst, so that's 3 mils of catalyst. The way I work that out is divide it by 100, which makes it 1.5. and then times it by 2. So once that's thoroughly mixed in, we're going to pour a base layer of resin into the mould. I'm going to wait for that for about half an hour. It's quite warm in here, about 20 degrees, 18 to 20 degrees. I'm going to leave that for half an hour just to get to a jelly stage, and then I'm going to put the artwork in. So I put the artwork in and then covered it with another layer of resin. Now, if you wanted a clean surface, you could use this method where I've made a lid out of the same plastic and then gently lowered it down on top of the resin to expel any air bubbles. But I wanted this broken, shattered appearance on the surface, and so I used cling film. This is it. It'll probably be okay to take it out of the mould after about 24 hours, but I actually left it over the weekend, did it on Friday, took it out Monday morning. So there it is, fresh out of the mould. As you can see, the surface on the back where it's been in contact with the plastic is smooth, but where we've put the cling film, we've got that striated effect that we wanted. And there it is. Here's the finished piece. There are some scratches on the side from the mould. You could buff those out using decreasing grades of wet and dry paper and finally a polish. But I would leave it probably another 7 days before you do that. And that's it. All materials shown are available from our website at ecfiberglasssupplies.co.uk, or give us a call 0191 497 5134. And if you have any questions, please comment below or get in touch through our website. Thanks for watching.